Police are currently investigating a distressing incident that occurred at the Busia office of Senator Okiya Omtatah, where suspected thugs forcibly entered the premises and made off with a variety of electronic goods. Confirming the break-in, Omtatah stated that unknown individuals had broken into his office in Busia town and stolen electronic goods that he used for various operations. Although he admitted that the culprits might be ordinary burglars, he was uncertain about the true motives and deferred to the police for a thorough investigation. The incident took place on a Saturday morning when Omtatah was not present in the county. He refrained from speculating further on the matter, but he expressed concern over the loss of valuable equipment. The senator promptly reported the incident to the police, who are actively looking into the matter. Senator Omtatah is also an activist known for his involvement in multiple legal battles concerning human rights violations and other abuses. Omtatah's involvement in opposing Kenya Kwanza Finance Act 2023 has made him a target of potential interference. He recently disclosed that he had been offered substantial amounts, up to 200 million shillings, to withdraw his petition against the act. However, he boldly rejected these offers, asserting that such attempts were designed to undermine the justice system. President Ruto has also requested Senator Omtatah to withdraw the petition. Omtatah has emphasized his commitment to upholding the law and has refused to be swayed by any attempts to compromise the integrity of the legal process. He stated that his petition was driven by genuine concern for the welfare of the public and the economy. Omtatah further conveyed his belief that those in power should be held accountable, and if they are unable to govern responsibly, they should step aside for more capable leaders. Despite facing adversity and attempts to derail his efforts, Omtatah remains steadfast in his pursuit of justice and upholding the rights of the people. The break-in at his office adds another layer of concern to his ongoing battles, but he is resolute in his mission to advocate for a fair and just society. As investigations continue, it is hoped that the perpetrators will be brought to justice, allowing Omtatah to continue his vital work unhindered. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenya News channel.